Hi, and welcome to a quick video covering section 1.2, types of data. As a quick reminder, data, the word, refers to the collected information. So we're going to look at two levels of organization for our data. The first distinction is between qualitative data and quantitative data. So qualitative refers to labels and categories. Sometimes it's called categorical data. The other label, quantitative, refers to numerical data, measured data. For the second level, we will break each of these two categories into two further details. For example, qualitative data can be broken into either ordinal or nominal data. And the big distinction between these is that ordinal data has order to it, a natural order. And nominal might sound like the word names, and it's true. They're just names. There's no natural order to that data. So some examples might be small, medium, large t-shirt sizes, letter grades, A, B, C, D, F, have an order, possibly age groups, or even just ages. But we've got, for example, infant, toddler, preschooler, etc. And for the nominal category, my go-to example are things like yes, no, maybe, or eye color. Those don't have any intrinsic order to them, those lists of different kinds of eye colors, blue, black, brown, etc., green. Now for quantitative or numerical data, we can break that into discrete and continuous data. And a quick way to keep those straight is discrete typically answers the question, how many? Where continuous data can often answer the question, how much? Think about that a little bit. So some examples might be listable type things for discrete, whole number type data. Doesn't have to be, but it might be. So, for example, the number of chickens in a farm, at a farm, the number of children. You can see my priorities. And then for continuous examples, first of all, a general comment is that there's no gaps between possible measurements, possible values. So it's not the actual data. You're going to have just a list of numbers, which will have gaps. But the possible values have no gaps. And as up there, so countable, that's adding countable. I said listable before, but countable for discrete. Measurable for continuous. So some examples here might be heights and weights for continuous. All right, and that kind of wraps up my quick introduction.